Reverse gradation is a shading technique used by the old masters. It's a subtle technique, but a very effective way to create depth and dimension in a painting. Rembrandt used this technique in several of his paintings, including this one titled Portrait of a Man. So what exactly is reverse gradation? I'll go into Photoshop and create a quick example of what reverse gradation is. First, I'll create an oval shape to represent the man's face. Then select the gradient tool and sample the light and shadow side of the man's face and apply a gradient. So the light on the man's face goes from left to right. Then I'll create a square, select the dark and light side of the background and apply another gradient. So as you can see, the background has a reverse gradation from dark to light. So the brightest areas of the man's face are set against the dark background, and conversely, the shadows are set against the lighter background. Using this reverse shading technique in backgrounds helps the lights pop forward while the shadows fall back and heightens the contrast between light and shadow. The idea is that the differences in contrast will have a greater impact and engage the viewer, making the artwork have a greater sense of life, depth and dimension. Leonardo da Vinci wrote about this technique in his treatise on painting. He wrote, "Of several colors, all equally white, that will look whitest which is against the darkest background, and black will look intensest against the whitest background." Anthony van Dyck also used this technique in many of his portraits. For example, we can see a reverse gradation in this self-portrait, where the light side of his face and hair are set against a dark background, and the shadow side of the face and hair is set against the light background. Now I'll draw a quick drawing with a reverse gradation. For this, I'm going to draw a simple sphere. Then I'll consider the direction of the light source and shade my sphere. Then I'll create a reverse gradation for the background. So reverse gradation is a simple technique you can use now and bring more contrast to your drawings and paintings. And here's the final result. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as it really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.